Do y'all see this? I think it's okay if we open it up. I gotta see what it is right now, but y'all gotta wait a few minutes. Gentlemen, I believe that the 350Z isn't doing too well. When I shift it, I don't know, it'll shift, but not smoothly. Y'all know what I mean? I don't know, maybe it needs a new transmission or just a transmission fluid change. I don't know. But it is put me in a concerned mood. I am, look at this Tesla. Okay, we got, very nice. We got a free sticker, a red bag. What's this for? I don't know, but I'll take it. Ooh, very nice. My brand new transmission in here. There's my son, and here's the GoPro 9 that I just bought, because I don't think my GoPro 7 was cutting it, and I like to have HD 1080 4K 60 frames per second, no grainy footage, and I don't know, I hope this one makes a difference. They'll let me know how crispy it looks. I think maybe I'm a bad driver. Maybe that's all that it is. First, no. Oh shit. Okay, do not try this at home. No idea what I'm doing out here. Heavily fearing for my life. And that's my safety net. I don't know, this does not look safe. Drain, fill. This is the worst because I gotta break the nut that's over here. And when I do that, I could elbow this and knock this out, and then the whole car will come and land on me and I'll die. And I don't think that would be good, because then I won't be able to post the video. Here's my face and no clearance. Jeez Louise.
¿Ah?
A ver, explica cómo lo voy a hacer.
Aquí va a entrar esto para acá, ¿cierto?
Yeah.
Entonces tú vas a agarrar esta llave y vas a empujarle a la mitad hacia allá, hacia donde están las llantas.
Okay, that was my quick reminder of how to loosen a nut, because it's on the side, so it's tricky. There's no left or right, it's push or pull. So it gets tricky right there. Like right here, I know how to do this one, but then if to put it like right yonder, and then what do? You know what I mean? You gotta like, he says I gotta push it, so I'm gonna push it. Okay, pushing. Oh dude, this is gonna break and hit my eye. I know it. I don't think it's this way. Yeah, I think this is wrong. Oh gosh. Hands got dirty. Called in the expert.
Pero ya está flojo. Así que ya métete y sácale el pinche aceite.
Tan fácil.
Gente, los hocico, es que tiene que ser un chingazo duro.
¿Qué te?
Gente, los hocico.
Pero nada puedes hacer. Oh, I did it. Very nice. Look, I did it all on my own. Very nice. Okay, now I gotta take this one off. This one this way or that way? I gotta make a call.
¿Esto?
No está lejos, dámelo.
Cállate los hocico, Juan David, da tus pendejadas.
Hijo picudo. Y acá le empujo, le jalo esta cosa.
¿De qué hablas?
Esta para aflojar el debajo. Push it or pull.
Ahí vas a, si puchas, vas a apretarlo.
So, push or pull.
Tienes que darle hasta donde yo estoy.
¿Y para acá?
Agarra el tubo y ya. Si lo puedes hacer con la mano.
Ahí para acá.
Sí. Pero agarra el tubo. Yo no creo que lo vas a hacer con la pura mano. Estás pendejado, amigo.
¿Qué?
Si sabes para dónde chingados aprieta, ¿para qué estás dando lata?
Así que para acá.
Cuando estés listo para que te zafes para atrás con todo el tapón. Cuando ya ves
Ya, para saber cuando esté listo.
Pues ya vas a sentir cuando ya aflojó.
No, ya lleva rato flojo.
No le hace, pero va a estar flojo, pero va a llegar el momento en que ya soltó. Ya, dale. Este pinche aceite está bueno.
Easy. ¿Qué?
Cabrón, y si ese aceite, ¿qué chingados te estás cambiando? Según tú.
It's dirty.
¿Ah?
It's dirty.
Dirty, my bad.
And not enough. Tengo que... Chateo. Vamos a andar cayendo.
Rápido.
¿Qué?
Ya se llenó la de abajo, agarra el de arriba.
¿El de arriba o el de abajo?
El de arriba agarra, yo voy a sacar el de abajo.
Okay, go. That's half full. We still had a lot over there.
No, ya con eso se va a alcanzar.
Hasta que se me está cayendo el carro.
¿Cómo se va a caer el carro, Juan David? De
No,
veras que
todo
estás
ya.
menso. Tú bájalo hasta que se asiente.
Está tranquilo, luego de repente gritas.
Cabrón. Pues no es que se está llenando, ni siquiera te estás fijando.
Estaba media charola.
Media. Acá 3/4 estaba hecho.
We're doing very great, easy, and nice progress. Now I gotta put this in here and then pump it up. But I lost a hole. I know it's on this side somewhere, but I lost it. And this is blocking my view. Great news, everyone. I found the hole. It's up there. And now I'm just gonna get a little thumb workout in and put all of this and all that and all that into there. And then that should add a lot of horsepower. Okay, all done. Look at my hard-working hands. Fácil. It was easy. Okay, test drive time. I test drove it a little bit, but not that much. You know, I didn't really put it to the test. But now we're gonna test drive it back home. I got my Popeyes. I found no Hot Wheels. Oh shit. Oh, very nice. Did y'all see that? How crispy it took off? Already 10 out of 10. And right there, when I went into second, so spectacular and so buttery smooth. Oh, fuck it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It feels like a brand new car. Even though I've never driven a brand new car, but this is what it feels like. If it were to feel like something, this is it. Second. Look at that. Are my lights on? They is. Turn signal. I don't need to put a signal right here because I'm already in the turn lane, but I'll do it anyways because, oh shit, it is red. I gotta stop. I thought it was green. I am not colorblind, by the way. I'm just in a silly mood today. Oh god, whoa. Almost went on the sidewalk. Let's downshift here to get more grip on the curve. Nice. And gas it through to not lose grip. Oh, okay, I'm going too fast though. Just ruined it. The speed limit ruined it. Did y'all see them downshifts? So perfect. Holy shit. Simmer down, car. Jeez Louise. I think it's okay if we say our goodbyes now. Okay, bye.